Hello YouTube, how are you today? Today, I'm really excited. I'm gonna share with you the secret of success on YouTube. Piney, roll them bumps. No, seriously, Piney. Stop messing around, roll them bumps. Now let's just be right up front here. This channel is my job, so it might be a little different for me than it is for you. But you don't need to upload every day to YouTube. You just need a regular schedule. I've heard the argument that creativity doesn't come on a schedule, and this may be true, but I can tell you this, success does not come without a schedule on YouTube. Setting a schedule and sticking to it will actually make it easier for you to be creative in the long run, because creativity is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Once you make this release schedule, take a look at your daily routine. This is where the want to comes in. What do I mean by want to? If you really want it, here's where you will block out time to write, film, edit, and promote your videos. Now this will probably mean a lot of late nights and a lot less TV, but you gotta have that picture in your head of where you wanna be, and you can never lose sight of that, no matter what. This picture that you keep in your head will make those late nights and missed shows seem like an afterthought on your road to YouTube success. Look, the bottom line is this. Successful YouTubers don't make excuses. They make videos on a regular schedule. So set your schedule, block out your time, stay consistent and persistent, and watch your channel grow. Have a great day, find your adventure, and I will see you in an hour for the live show.